BA Honours Accounting and Finance course at the University of South Wales is a course focused on building the skills required for our students to develop a career in the accounting and finance industry. Our students will gain a solid grounding in the core skills of accounting and finance. Financial accounting, taxation, management accounting, financial management. The modules are all bespoke, specific to the BA Honours Accounting and Finance, taught in small groups. Our course is multi-accredited by the leading accountancy bodies, so these will cover all aspects of accounting. We do have specialist facilities. We have a financial trading module where students are taught in the financial trading laboratory. You are using specialist simulation software to get engaged in financial trading activities. Most of our students will go on to work as an accountant of some kind. They really can hit the ground running when they graduate. They're easier to train, they're far more attractive to employers. Of course, it's an opportunity to build real-world skills and competencies to help secure really good future employment.